Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Friends, today I am going to make another recipe. That is, today I am going to make palak. You can see the palak here. I have cut it up, washed it and kept it. Potato and chana dal mix. Curry. Friends, I like to use potato. I like to put potatoes because I love to eat potatoes very much. So if you all want to skip the potatoes, you all can skip it. So I'm going to make the curry with this palak bhaji, potato and chana dal. You can see here. For the curry, I'm going to use, this is garlic, red dried chilies, jeera and black pepper. This I'm going to grind it, make it into a paste and use it in the curry. I hope you all will like it. So friends, come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, to make the palak and chana dal recipe, I'll use mustard oil. So I'm putting the mustard oil. I will let the mustard oil turn hot. Friends, the mustard oil is turned hot. I have taken 3 dry chilies, red dry chilies. This I will put in. I have taken some mustard. This also I will put in. Friends, now I will put in the cut up onions. I will let the onions turn brown. Friends, the onions are almost turned golden brown, you can see. This is 1 tomato which I have cut up. This also I will put in. I will let the tomato fry along with the onion. Friends, now I will put in the turmeric powder. This is the masala paste which I made. This I will put in. I will let the masalas turn brown. Friends, the masalas turn brown. Now first of all I will put in the palak. Friends, I have put in the palak. Now I will put in the chana dal. Now I will put in the potatoes. Put the salt. Friends, the water which is coming out from the palak saag now, this I will let it dry. So I will just put the cover on this type and let the water dry. Friends, you can see the water is almost dried up from the palak saag which was coming out. Now I will put in the water. Now I will cover this and give it 2-3 whistles. Friends, you can see this recipe is done. Friends, this is the palak, chana dal and potato recipe. I hope you all will like it. How delicious it's looking. Thanks for watching my video.